Hey YouTube, 85cc Master here. This is going to be a video on my newest purchase, Takeuchi TL12 2013 model. It's an enclosed cab with a smooth bucket on it. I'm demoing the machine right now, but I will be purchasing it. Former United Rentals machine. It responds really well and operates and runs good, AC, heat. It's a lot larger than my last skid steer I had, which was Bobcat T190. Doesn't really have any issues with it at all. No leaks. 2,700 hours. I just like the fact that it's enclosed cab. My T190 did not have that, and on jobs where it was very dusty, it wasn't pleasant. So, all the cylinders don't show any signs of leaking at all, so that's great. Hope you enjoyed the video. This is 85cc Master. Y'all have a good one.